morning, Group 52. In Matthew chapter 5, Jesus tells us, "You are the light to the world, and lights shine the brightest in dark places." This looks like meeting a need or filling a void, because the good news of Jesus Christ is healing to the sick, food to the hungry, it's money to the poor, it's encouragement to the depressed. The good news of Jesus Christ is joy to the brokenhearted. So take a good look at your resources. You might not be able to fix every need, but when you look at the gifts and talents God gave you, when you look at the resources He's blessed you with, there is a need that you can meet around you. So this week, Group 52, meet a need in the name of Jesus and spread the gospel of Jesus Christ. God bless you and have the best week of your life.